Doing the lawnmower, vroom, vroom. Nope, this is not a video about taking care of your lawn. However, this is my recipe of the week review from the Power 13 cookbook. And today, I'm going to review Nicole Collect's fancy white chocolate muffins right here in this kitchen with all my Goblin Brigade. So, if you guys are ready, once you come pull up a seat at my table, and let's go talk about it, guys.
Like the hula hoop out and hula hoop and shoo-hoo.
Well, now I have to Big Mac it because we can't show this on YouTube.
Big Mac, dee, 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 dee. Love you guys. Peace out.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing.
What is going on, Goblin Brigade? Thank you guys so much for stopping by the kitchen today. As always, thank you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time coming by the kitchen, and if you don't know what I'm about, I teach you how to lose a little bit of weight, get just a little bit healthier, and I do it from the perspective of an actual obese person like myself. So if you're interested in learning how you can do what I'm doing right now, I'm in the middle of my journey as we speak, and this is going to be the channel for you. Now, I'm not a doctor. I'm not qualified to talk about anything. I'm just sharing my own experience through this journey. I've been pretty successful so far. You can follow it all right here on YouTube.com, on Instagram at Spooky Goblin. So, if that sounds like something you are into, please do me a favor. Take that like button. Go ahead and roll it around in some strawberries. Slap some icing on it. Make it do the lawnmower. Because in today's video, this is my recipe review of the week from the Power 13 cookbook. And this week, we are going over Nicole Collect white chocolate fancy strawberry muffins. I was just scrolling down to where I was already at. There we go, Nicole's fancy raspberry chocolate muffins. This is a medium as far as the prep and cooking time are concerned. Prep time, it says 15 minutes, ready in 40. Now, I'm not going to share this whole thing with you guys because I don't want to take that away from the people that actually put the work into these recipes. But I am going to go ahead and go over it here on my channel. If you guys don't know who Nicole Collect is, she has lost over 130 pounds. Her and her husband, Mr. Sass, Kyle. I highly recommend y'all go check out their channel over here on YouTube. I'm going to leave a link to it down in the description. And guys, instead of trying to be like the Joker and the Harlequin, I highly recommend y'all strive for a relationship like these two have on camera. Why y'all want to be like the Joker and the Harlequin in that toxic relationship is beyond me. Be more like the Colettes, not like the Jokers. Don't be clowns, okay? But yeah, definitely go check out her channel. I'm going to quit talking. I'm going to get straight into this video. So if you guys are ready to get cooking, strap on your aprons. Now that we have the outfits on, let's head back to the kitchen. I'm going to save you a seat at my table. Let's get cooking, guys. So this is all the ingredients you're going to need to make Nicole Collect's fancy white chocolate raspberry muffins. Some protein powder, all-purpose flour, some non-fat buttermilk, some egg whites, some raspberries, some Greek yogurt, brown sugar from Swerve, some baking soda, some salt, some cinnamon, some vanilla extract, and some sweetener. I'm using stevia. Always the best choice. You're going to need 3 bowls. Small bowl, large bowl, and a medium bowl. You're going to need a whisk, a flat spatula so you can fold, a food scale, of course, some cooking spray, a muffin pan has already been greased, a preheated oven to 425. Now, I'm not going to go into specifics, and I did make some small changes. Like instead of the frozen raspberries, I got sugar-free raspberry preserves. I'm not using any of the chocolate chips, and I actually had fat-free buttermilk. If you want specifics, go and buy the book, just like I did. Go and support these guys. You guys are making content to help us lose some weight. The least what we can do is show them a little bit of support and thank them for all that they do. Now on with the rest of the video. So it should look something like this. The breakdown, this is why you needed the 3 bowls for. I'm not quite done with it. I'm going to get to mixing the rest of it in because you got to mix these 2 into here and then fold the rest of it in. I'm going to do that. When I come back, I'll be time to put them in the pan. Okay, Brigade, I got everything mixed up in the bowl here. I got my muffin tin sprayed down and ready to go. And I got my little 1/4 cup. I'm going to use to transfer that over into here. See, the oven's preheated. 425, check, ready to go. So am I. Yeah, I got so excited about these after I saw the mix come together. I almost forgot to film this part, but that is what she looks like in the pan. Getting ready to go in the oven over here. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back. If you find any value in the videos I'm doing, don't forget to like. Follow me on Instagram at Spiffy Goblin. And let's get to the rest of this, y'all. Alright, Brigade, I just pulled these straight up out the oven. Look how beautiful these are, man. I mean, seriously. I'm going to have to test them real quick. I don't have a toothpick, but you can use a knife for this. I wouldn't recommend it. But I don't have any toothpicks, so let's go in and see. You see, when it comes up dry like that, these are good to go, man. And I am super, super excited. I'm going to have to do about an hour worth of lawnmowers after I eat these because these look freaking amazing. So, meet me back at the table and let's go take care of business. Alright, Brigade, it is time to break out the gavel. It is time to give this a day in court and see if it's worth the hype. Check these out, man. Ooh wee, look at that. These look absolutely beautiful. There's 4 of them here. Also have me a water to help me wash it down with. So I am excited about trying these, man. I ain't gonna lie. So let's break one open real quick so you guys can see the inside. Man, look at that. Ooh, alright guys. You know what time it is. 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Honestly, these have got to be one of the best things I've made in a while. I'm really happy about this. $695 calories, 44 grams of protein. Now that's for 4 of them. I actually got 12 out of that whole batch. Mr. Nicole Collect, you have yourself a banger right here. I will eat these every day. I actually got a bunch of meal prep for tomorrow, and I'm going to do just that. I'm going to take one more bite. Mmm. Oh my god. Definitely worth the mukbang noise. Yeah. Is that legit? Or do I need to quit? You can let me know down in the comments. I did make some small changes to these. Not a lot. Instead of frozen strawberries, I used the sugar-free raspberry preserve. And I actually had like low-fat buttermilk, so I didn't have to make it. But like I said, go get the Power 13 cookbook, guys. You're not going to regret it. That my brigade is true magic. I'm getting out of here because it's eating late on Sunday and I'm going to eat my muffins and be happy too. Until next time, do it a lot more. Vroom, vroom.